Okay, so we're going to demo the latest version of our build CI system. So here we've got the Linkerd repo. We've got a PR that's reporting that it's breaking in CI. So we're going to dig in, see what's wrong, and then try to make a fix. So here we see that one of the integration tests has failed. These are our kind integration tests that we've been talking about. So we dig in, we notice it's the upgrade test. It's the test that where we install an old version of Linkerd on a Kubernetes cluster, then try to run an upgrade. And as we look through the log, we see that some command called upgrade broken is being run. That seems wrong. So we'll go back into our code. We'll find where that incorrect command is being run, fix it up. Should just be called Linkerd upgrade. And we'll verify the change that we're making, and then commit the change, push it up to GitHub. This is where going from a git push to booting 8 Kubernetes clusters comes from. So now that we've pushed up the change, we should be able to go back into GitHub, click our GitHub Actions tab, the checks tab, and note that the new build has already kicked off. You'll see some of the more simple tests kicking off right away, like the unit tests, the linting, static checks, all that stuff. And then the Docker build is already going in preparation for our more complicated integration tests. I'm going to speed up this whole section of running the integration test because it takes like 10 minutes. We don't need to sit here through that. But note that we're following along on the Linkerd upgrade test, and we're seeing all 8 of those Kubernetes clusters get booted up, and the integration tests run in parallel across all of them. As the tests are wrapping up, we've verified that all the things on the left are showing up as green. And then we should be able to jump back to our pull request and confirm that the build has been fixed. So just in a matter of a few minutes, we're able to make a change and boot up all of those clusters, test it across all those different environments, and we're good.